Hi, I'm Colton and welcome to Williams Family Crafts. And today I'm going to be showing you how to make this super cool robot car. Let's get crafting! Hello. So today I'm going to show you the instructions for that cool car I showed you. So first you're going to be needing a 10x4 plate. Then you get a 6x4 plate and put it underneath it in the middle. And you want to make it tight so it doesn't move. And then you get a 1x2 brick and put it in the front. And that's going to be the front of the car. Then you get a 1x4 axle piece and put it in the middle of like this section. Then you do it and make it symmetrical to the other side. You get a 1x8 brick piece, any color. Remember, it doesn't need to be exact color as mine. So you get a 1x8 piece. You put them on vertical sides and make sure it's touching the 1x2 brick. Then you're gonna get a 1x4 piece with pegs on the side. Then you want to put one of these grill pieces. And you want to put that on the back. Then you get two 1x2s, or you can just get a 1x4, and you can just put them on here. Then you're gonna need a 1x1, like, I don't know what these are called, but they're like one of these ones that like have them on the side. Okay, and then you get a 1x2 piece that has one peg, and put them on both sides. Then you can rather get eyepieces or like any like lights that you want, and put them on them. Let me just get that. Then you need 2 more grill pieces. Then you have to put them this way, because if you don't put them this way, then pretty much it's like it just be different. Then you put it on the 1x2 plate. Brick. So you are going to be needing a 1x10 plate and putting them on each side. Then you're going to need a 1x2 plate and put it here. Then you're going to need a 2x4 with 3 holes on it. Then you want to put this 1x4 circle with 1 hole, no pegs. Then you want to place that in the middle. Then you want to put it right here. Then here's the optional part. You could use any windshields you want, but it has to have a 1x4 width. And right now I'm gonna make it basic. Then you want to add one of things. Wait, you have to add one of these right there. Then you put this here.
What was that called? The one you put inside. What was that called?
It's a steering wheel.
And it's a steering wheel. Okay, as long as we know what that is.
So then you place it down, and you put like a windshield there. Then you want to get a 1x3 piece and put it on both sides of this. Then you want to get a 1x1 modified piece with a peg on the side. Then you want to put that on open space.
Why don't you show the camera really quick what you got so far?
And this is what it should be looking like. So then you will need a 1x8 smooth plates and put them as so. Then this is extra. You don't have to add one of these, but you can add a 1x1 stud with a hollow tube. So then you place it on that. Then this is optional. You do not need this to make the car. But if you do, then you can make it way cooler. So then you get this and put it on one of the sides. Then you just leave it there until the next step. So as I told you, if you want to add some, like make it look cooler, you get one of these types. And then you place it down. Then you add this one on the other side. Then there's no spaces covering. You get a 1x4 4x4 plate, and you get a 2 1x4s and put them on vertical sides. Then you get a 1x2 and put them in the middle of one on this edge. So then you put it like this and put it on like that, as so.
So why are you doing it like that?
Because if you put it like this,
yeah, you don't have to take it off.
If you don't add these extra pieces, then the character's head would be blocking the way.
Oh, so you're giving your character more headroom.
Yes.
Okay.
And you want to put this side here, so that if you have a character standing right here, like you have to make the character leaning back. But you can add more of these tiles if needed.
Well, if he's leaning back, that means he looks like he's going fast.
Yeah. Then this is how you make the gun. So first you're going to be needing this 1x2 2x2 plate with...
It's a round plate?
A round plate. And it has like, not a circle, but like an X in the middle. Then you get a 1x1 brick. But I thought that this would look cooler if I made like a little stripe. But this is optional. Again, you do not need this piece. It's a 1x1 modified piece. 1x1 plate and it's a modified piece, and it has a peg on top. So then you put it like this. Then you get another one of these tubes and put it on top as like another extra gun. Then you get two 1x1 circle pieces. Then you place them together. Then you get a 1x1 piece, but smooth circle. Then you put it like so.
Are those called studs?
Yeah, studs. Then you place this on top. Then you place it like so. Then you get then you get this piece and you put it on the back of the stud. And then you get a 1x1 cheese wedge, yeah. And then you place them like this.
Oh, so they're on a slight angle.
Yeah.
That's kind of nice.
Then you get your character and put it together.
Oh, and I got to take everything apart.
No, you just have to take off all these. Then you make him go as back as you can. Put on the windshield. And oh wait, it's missing something. Wheels! And Then you attach this piece back, and you put on the wheels. And here is the car. Vroom, vroom.
And now it's dead.